Alright, it's Friday morning. Truck's all loaded up. Xavier's going crazy because he's going to be outside all weekend. I filled up his pool with water. Dog food bowl is completely full. He's definitely got enough food for the weekend. But we're going to go drop Elliot off at school, pick up Angel, and head down to Little Rock, Arkansas. Hey, are you boys excited? We're going to go down to Little Rock, Arkansas, playing the All-American All-Star Showcase. Tony the Tank was the first selected for it.
I finished my snack.
But, dang, already?
Yeah.
We ain't even left the driveway. But anyways, we're about to head down there. We're going to pick up Angel, and we're going to have a great time. Tony and Angel's going to play 2 games. They're going to play with the 8U and the 9U. Joseph's playing with the 9U.
What about me?
What's up? You ready to go? You excited?
Here's some headphones with the pic.
Alright guys, we in Arkansas. We still got 2.5 hours to go though to get to Little Rock. We just hit our first little rainstorm though on the way there.
Little.
Y'all excited?
No. Yeah.
Joseph's got to wait till tomorrow for his excitement. Y'all got practice tonight.
Yeah.
It's just
Alright guys, we at Chick-fil-A. Just got the Little Rock, Arkansas. We're gonna eat.
Oh, wait.
Then we're gonna go to the Airbnb. Tony and Tony and Angel are gonna get ready for practice.
Oh, this one's nasty. The other one comes with pickles.
Bacon, cheese, and chicken. Spicy. Angel's got fries. Spicy.
He got chicken nuggets.
He got chicken nuggets. So did Tony. There was just a tornado warning. I don't see no bad clouds or nothing over here, but we're at Chick-fil-A. The tornado took the aid off of the academy. Dude, it landed right over there. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't film it because I got scared. That was the first time I seen a tornado in real life. They was about to shut the doors at academy. I took off. Holy smokes. All our stuff in here. Yeah, everything's soaked though. All right, we're in our Airbnb for the weekend. We got a nice little backyard. Good thing the tornado didn't come through here. It missed. So we're about to set up our rooms. After a little scare, seeing and hearing the tornado while we were at academy, we blew off some of the letters on the front of the store. We're sitting in the Airbnb with no power. Tony and Joseph. Why do I keep calling you Joseph? Tony and Angel's gonna have to get ready here in a second. We're gonna go to practice if it still happens. I'm waiting to see on the group. It looks like it's still gonna happen for now, but we don't know if the tornado went through the area where the high school is. So hopefully not.
Guys, I was hitting the gritty in the tornado.
You were hitting the gritty in the tornado?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Bro, I was literally hitting the gritty into the tornado.
Inside facility. About to get practice cracking. They over here hanging out with Micah. He don't want the 9U smoke?
I will stiff arm him.
He's coming to the 9U game.
I know. I'm playing on you.
I know. He's coming.
I'm gonna stiff arm him.
Oh, you a stiff arm Tony or Angel?
Both.
Oh man, you better be careful. Better be careful. I told your mom I'm gonna try to film you as much as I can. All right?
I'm gonna run.
Oh no, they're gonna go after your ankles. You're gonna have to jump over them.
That's easy.
No, Tony goes high. Joseph might go low on you.
He might go low.
Yeah,
gonna go high.
yeah, he's going to go high. Yeah. Angel, I don't think can catch him. I don't think he's gonna catch you. This Sincere right here. Dot. Look, he ain't looking no more. I was supposed to film him.
They will.
Out here at practice. Team Blues over there. Tony and Angels over here with Team White. trying to get the offense cracking. I like the way it's set up right now.
Run the ball, Ray, you're fast. Get him, Arroyo. Landon, get ready. Landon, you're the outside. Landon, go. Go, Landon. Go. Right there, Marco. No, honey badger. They're not going that way. Scoop. Come on, just square up the middle. Watch the play. Watch the pass. Full speed, man. Quarterback, go get him, Micah. Arroyo, get ready. Get him, Ray. Get him, Ray. Right there. Good run. I didn't even try to jump. Right there. Go get him, go get him. Get fast enough on the bounce. Run, Micah. Run, Micah.
Ready? Go. Get low, get low, get low.
Pull. Come on. Keep those feet moving. Keep those feet moving. Keep those feet moving. Don't stop. Run. 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 Move your feet. Move your feet.
My bad. You good?
Pull. Angel, you got to move your feet.
Ready? Go.
Move your feet.
Get low, get low, get low, pull, 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 pull. Let's go, good job. Ready? Go. Go, run, 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 run. Good job. Ready? Go. Go. Come on.
There you go. Drive those legs. There you go.
Ready? Go. Run, run, run.
Go, run, Angel, run. You gotta keep your feet moving.
Keep running. Run,
Pull,
run.
pull, 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 pull. There you go.
Go. Come on, big dog. Come on. Come on, run back, run back. Come on, good job. You got it.
Good job, Angel.
Good job. Step back just a little bit. There you go. There you go. There we go. Ready? Go! Run! Come on! Come on! Come on!
There you go. Pull, pull. Keep pulling, Angel. Keep pulling, Angel. Keep driving. Keep driving, Angel. Keep driving, Angel. Keep driving. Keep driving. Keep driving. Pull. 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 Come on. Who's the fastest one? After we got done with the lineman competition, they're still doing 7-on-7s over here. Kane's at quarterback. Oh.
See it all.
Dang, the tornado took down the McDonald's sign.
Dude, they're still over here struggling. Look at the
Yeah,
lights.
I know there's a freaking light pole or pole over on the
In 3/4 of a mile,
gas
turn
station.
left onto North Shackelford Road.
It's all destroyed over here. Can't really see it on my phone because it's too dark outside, but tornado came right through here.
Man, it got bad.
It's all, well, we already passed it. Trees fell down. Oh, there we go. That's crazy.
Look at this shit. Oh my,
Oh my
god.
We can't even get through.
What? What, baby?
Look at all the down trees.
Look at this.
The houses.
Dang.
They're still working over here. Holy smokes.
At the stop sign.
Dude, we gotta turn back around. For some reason, our phone took us straight through the disaster, and they're still trying to clean it up. There's power lines everywhere, houses down, trees down.
No, they're trying to help people out.
All right, we finally got power restored from the tornado. I know last night I woke up at midnight, go to the bathroom, we had power, so I don't know exactly what time they turned it back on. But we're about to start day 2. If you want to check out day 2 on the All-American All-Star Showcase, we got media day, some more practicing. Tony and Angel plays tonight. Then they all play tomorrow morning. So if y'all want to check that out, you got to tune in for the next video.